Hello friends, welcome back to Dhanush Tech Media YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am completely explain about the royalty conditions in the Perlwine International new version. So let us start the video.
Dear friends and our Perlwine International family members, good morning. I am Mr. Rael Sinu. I am 64 years young guy. I have been working in our Perlwine International system for the last 13 months. Now, I am in the rank of quads. So far, I have completed 5 quarters for my family members. Now, without wasting the time, let's go to Perlwine International latest updates yet to come, predefined conditions and conditions for royalties and updates in phase 3. Now the system is under upgradation and for another 30 hours. System will be opened on 7th March 2021. The timer fixed will be coming to zero by 12:30 p.m. on 6th March. So after that, the system is going to provide us a beautiful presentation with regard to latest updates and royalties. All are requested to download the presentation and act accordingly with actual and fantastic updates. Here I have presented some of the updates and royalties by collecting the information from our senior most appliances and big leaders. The system is going to provide the royalties for all the Perlwine account holders from Perl to Ruby ranks on weekly basis in Plan A and Agate to Beryl in Plan B, that is 2020 Bonanza. It is also heard that there will be another 5th rank upgradation in 2020 Bonanza. The upgradation cost would be 400 DP after Beryl. Most of our seniors and appliances have been asking all our Perlwine users to upgrade both quads and Beryl. They have requested to upgrade for several times, but very less users were upgraded and most of our team members could not succeed to upgrade before the system went on upgradation. This was also happened on February 7th, 2020 when 2020 Bonanza, that is Plan B, was introduced. This was just because of lack of information from our appliances. Those who have upgraded 2020 Bonanza on 7th February 2020, most of the Perlwine members got 5 to 6 level incomes within a short period. Now, we are very lucky to have another big updates and royalties in this third phase also. Let us get ready. Now, I am going to explain about the predefined and defined conditions yet to come. Here, actually, I have designed some of the royalties by assuming in Plan A, that is, so our system is going to give royalty of for Perl 0.5 dp per week, for the Coral 1 dp per week, and Onyx 4 dp per week, for Quartz 16 dp per week, for Amethyst 64 dp per week, Topaz 128 dp per week, for Ruby 256 dp per week. Now there are some of the conditions for Plan A also. Now to withdraw auto pool from any rank in Plan A, that particular rank should be upgraded to next higher rank. Suppose if you take example for Perl, suppose if you got any auto pool income in Perl, if you want to withdraw that auto pool income, you have to upgrade to the next higher level, that is Coral. But here there is no condition to withdraw royalty from any rank in Plan A. So if you have a minimum DP in any pool, you can withdraw. Royalty will be discontinued after receiving second auto pool for any ranks up to Onyx in Plan A. So royalties assumption for 2020 for plan B also. So here it shows for Agate we will get 2 DPs per week, for Amazonite 4 DP per week, for Amber 10 DP per week, Beryl 20 DP per week, and there is another 5th rank is yet to come. So if you want to upgrade that 5th rank, you have to invest 400 DP. That cost would be 400 DP. There are some of the conditions for 2020 Bonanza Plan B, but anybody wants to withdraw auto pool from Agate rank in Plan B, it is necessary to have at least rank Coral, because these are the conditions already predefined. We have already got this predefined conditions in our 2020 Bonanza. Then you have to withdraw auto pool from Amazonite rank in Plan B. It is necessary to have at least rank Onyx. To withdraw auto pool from Amber rank in Plan B also, it is necessary to have at least rank Quartz. To withdraw auto pool from Beryl rank in Plan B, it is necessary to have at least rank Amethyst. There should be minimum of 10 DP in any auto pool income to withdraw. If you go to the royalty conditions for Plan, so there is no condition to withdraw royalty from any rank in Plan B. So here anytime anything is there in the royalty, you can withdraw. Minimum DP in any royalty can be withdrawn. Royalty will be discontinued after receiving second auto pool for any rank in Plan B. And here are some of the things, royalties and auto pools. If you want to transfer whatever the royalties and auto pools are there in your wallet, you can directly transfer your bank. So to transfer your auto pools and royalties from wallet to bank, you need for profile. So you have to upgrade your profile. If you go to the profile in your account, we need to have some of the information for upgradation. For fill up of the KYC. So we need to have IFSC code and SWIFT code of our bank. So if your mobile is connected to with any bank, so that you need to have the information like IFSC code and SWIFT code. If you go to the bank and you can ask them, they will definitely give you the SWIFT code. That SWIFT code should be included in our account details. Then you have to immediately complete your know your computer KYC in your Perlvine account. You need to upload your passport size photo, bank passbook first page, third Aadhaar card, and also we need to have some cancelled bank check also. Then the system will approve your documents. Once you upload all these documents to the system in the profile, then automatically it will be saved. Then system will approve what are the documents you have already uploaded. Now you can withdraw 100 DPs to 1000 DPs a day only. So this is actually some of the preconditions for the royalties. In future, I am going to provide some of the information about the latest issues yet to come. So wait for some time. I can give you very best details about the royalties, which is system going to give the system. Thank you very much.